Hello everyone, myself Ansari Safia from Physics Department, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now this presentation is for class SYBSC Physics Paper First, Section First. Now the topic is subtraction of a complex number. Now we know the complex number z is equal to x plus iy, which consists of two parts. One is real part and the other one is imaginary part. Now real part is x and imaginary part is iy. Now we already studied addition of two complex number on Argand diagram. Now today we have to study subtraction of two complex number on Argand diagram. Now consider two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Now these two complex numbers are represented on the Argand diagram by the points P and Q. Now the difference, that means Z1 minus Z2 is also a complex number which is equal to Z. Now in figure, point P represent the complex number Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1. Point Q represents the complex number Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Now in figure, the line QO is produced such that the length ON is equal to length OQ, but in vector notation, vector OQ is equal to minus vector ON, or ON is equal to minus OQ. Thus ON is the position vector of the point P, which corresponds to the complex number minus Z2. Now the point S representing the difference Z is equal to Z1 minus Z2. Now which is obtained by constructing a parallelogram OPSN. Now the parallelogram OPSN is constructed and OP and ON are the position vector of the point P and N corresponding to the complex numbers Z1 and minus Z2. So according to the law of parallelogram of vector, vector OS is equal to vector ON plus vector NS, but NS is equal to OQ, that means OS is equal to ON plus OQ equal to OQ plus ON equal to, now OQ is equal to Z1 and ON is equal to minus Z2 therefore z is equal to z1 minus z2, but z is equal to x plus iy and z1 minus z2 is x1 minus x2, then plus I y1 minus y2. Now here the difference is also a complex number. Its real part is x1 minus x2 and the imaginary part is y1 minus y2 into I. That means difference is also a complex quantity having two parts, real part and imaginary parts. Now thank you for watching.